Hi everyone, my name is Vanessa Mendoza. I'm one of the field engineers here in Victoria. In today's video, we will guide you on accessing ETA approvals. ETA approvals are important to ensure compliance with the relevant standards. Join us to show you how to do it on the software. We will start by clicking on the post-install rebar on the home page and make sure you have the right design method selected. Then you go to the connection tab, click on Encourage and a column to slab connection type. Then you go to the products type and make sure that you have the right product chosen for your design and click on the View ETA button, which will show you the different ETA options based on your design. Once click, a new tab will open with that relevant ETA, which can be scrolled through for the relevant information needed for your design. Another way you can access the ETA is by clicking at the drop-down menu option and click on View ETA and select the relevant ETA. From there, you can find all the information required for your design at hand. Esperamos que hayas disfrutado este video. I will say it in English. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.